Looks like Pinky's going treasure hunting. And what can be a better treasure than friends? Collectible Sprunky friends, apparently. After all, these guys pair well with tuna. Yeah, this should help smooth things over. Now we've got our very own Sprunkies. They're regular chickens of the sea. So we should probably keep them in water. Well, we could always take you to the pool. But it might be more fun to take the pool to you. What better way to start than making a pool? Remember, inspiration can come from anywhere. So that's why her hair's so big. It's full of secrets. Plus, all the stuff we need to make a cool new water park. One that's completely on brand for Sprunky Land, too. Sorry, guys, we're gonna need those lounge chairs. And by lounge chairs, we mean water slides. You can pick between the pink and blue slides. Or think outside the box with a fun, loopy slide. Either way, we can't forget the most important part of all, water. Let's grab our Sprunky friends before they turn into fish flakes. Come on! All of Sprunky Land's invited to the grand opening. Get in line, everybody. There's plenty of slide to go around. But as Oren knows, every great pool party needs music.
Come on.
We've got a DJ, but we're gonna need a turntable. Take a cardboard box. Make smaller boxes. Now we'll need buttons in all sizes. Next, we're gonna need an aluminum can. Just skim a little off the top. And add to a box. It needs a little something.
Wow.
Aha! Talk about a real bandstand. Speaking of which, this will give it some legs to stand on. Okay, DJ Oren, time to show your stuff. Get out of the pool, everyone. It's time to dance. Or just sway to the music. That works too. It's getting late. Oh, Ratty, is it past your bedtime? I know. We'll make you a bed worthy of a mermaid. Let's start with a seashell shape. Carve it out. Cut off the excess clay. We can save it for later. Peel off the paper and make sure everything's lined up. Now pick it up and roll it into shape. Let's introduce you to your better half. Why don't we add a nice splash of color? Some pink and purple will make a nice match.
Cool.
Let's add a blanket and some pillows. Now Ratty can start counting some sheep. You know, every party needs a furry friend. A little something for the introverts. Of course, there are some drawbacks. Sure you don't want to wear some gloves?
Yuck.
Well, at least it's a cute little ball now. Or are you making donuts? Or are you making our Sprunky friends? Wait a minute, they're both! They're Sprunky donuts! Why don't we order a baker's dozen? After all, I think we're gonna need more. Okay, did everybody get to try one? Uh-oh, guess it was first come, first serve. Oh, don't cry. We'll whip up something special next. And by whip, you know I mean cream. A delicious cream cake and a few other treats. Ooh, but you'll need something to wash it down with. And you can't exactly drink pool water. So why don't we start a stand? A juice stand, that is. Now we're gonna need some drinks. Let's start by making a juice dispenser. Blueberry. But a juice stand needs more than one flavor. Plus a few sodas on the side. We're open for business. Come on, everyone. Ratty's ready to take your order. Okay, calm down. Single file. Make a line. Let's help them out. How about some free samples? Everyone's got a drink? Good. You know, tips are appreciated. Uh-oh, I think Purple Durples had too much punch. Get in line for the biggest spot here, the water closet. Oh no, we got a clog. Well, at least it looks clean.
Ew.
By the looks of it, we need a whole new potty. We'll need to make one from scratch. Grab a TP roll. I mean, it's got the background for its new job. Looks like this potty party needs some AirPods. Plus, this case it comes in makes a great tank. Chef's kiss. Now we need a seat and a lid. Hook it up. Keep some cleaning supplies nearby. Look at that. It's your turn, Durple. Speaking of dropping kids off at the pool, it's Mini Pinkies. They're her nieces. They solve mysteries. While they're here, let's make something for them. After all, I think they've just called Adult Swim. But who needs a pool when you've got your own playground? Start with a balancing act, a seesaw, complete with comfy seats. Try it out. Up and down, up and down. Noticing a pattern? Ooh, we don't want your sister to feel left out. Hold on, we've got just the thing. A swing, and it's just for you. Give her a push. She's the queen of the world. But here's something for all three of you. It's a merry-go-round, not the horsey kind. We're not done yet. Cut the bottom off a paper cup. Draw some lines to divide it like a pizza. Now take a straw and bend it like a bench. We're gonna need some more straws. Add the wheels and we've got a bike. Ketchup? Guess we've earned a little snack break. Would you like some fries with that? Or maybe a napkin? I see. We need the container. Trim a little off the top. Add some cool blue paint all around it. Cool. I get it. We're making coolers. No, wait. They're wagons. Hook it up to the bike.
Hey, come on.
Come on, Pinky. Let's take the girls for a ride. You guys are in for a special treat. You're getting a special tour around this place. In fact, let's take one last look around here. This is the coolest place around, and you're all invited. Of course, there could be something even more fun. And that's making a water park of your very own.